In today's video, I am going to make a 7 feet long bookshelf. I started by making a 3D model in SketchUp according to my space. And I made this bookshelf with one sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. Here I am using some scrap pieces of wood to lift up the plywood sheet to cut it. To make a straight cut, I am using a factory edge of another plywood. Before using power tools, you should always make sure to use some hearing protections. And for focus, I listen to some Lucky Ali songs. To make multiple similar cuts, I am using my DIY table saw. You can check this out how I made this. I will put a link in comment section. After everything cut to size according to the plan, it is time to assemble it. First of all, I am making the frame. To hold the pieces, I am using my homemade corner clamps. Drilling holes using 1/8 inch drill bit with countersink bit. The position I was drilling in wasn't right and I broke the drill bit. So I put it upright like this. Now this is more comfortable position to drill holes. After the frame is done, it is time to make shelves. What I am doing here is I took these two vertical pieces and clamping them to this long vertical piece and sandwiching this shelf in between. I will repeat this on other side also so the shelf aligns perfectly on both sides. And here I broke another one. Now the big H is formed, I am screwing rest of the pieces by holding it with corner clamps. After everything is assembled in position, I disassembled them to apply this self-adhesive vinyl wrap. This is the backing board. Initially, I struggled to apply the vinyl wrap, but it went smoothly afterwards. Here's a cool trick. To remove the wrinkles from vinyl wrap, you can use your hair dryer. Here are all the pieces wrapped up. Now I am reassembling everything back. And here I am putting this bookshelf over my DIY Murphy bed.